Now, one of the big factors that I think in designing that's very simple but easy way to do is once you've decided on your actual colors, let's change this up here, go a little bit different here. Now, one thing you want to do is you want to keep these in layers. See over here, you've got a layer and you've got a layer. So by keeping it in layers, you're able to maneuver it around so that way you can see, okay, which one does this fit with? So that way you can quickly go through, and maybe you like this one, but maybe, does that fit? So I always like to keep them in layers, and I like to keep multiple ones, and so keep your eye open. For instance here, I think this might actually work, but I think it might actually work better if it's smaller. So let's just shrink it down a little bit. It could be too small. You'll make that decision. So logo, do it yourself. So if that decides, hey, it fits, then you may want to up it up just a little bit more, fit it right in there, and see if you like it. And what you want to do is you just want to continue to play with these, and you want to pull them up and down until you find the one that you think works the best for your company.